Man, almost done. We still got to put the fire pit in, and then the freestanding wall and the pillars. So, yeah. This in. And then we can bring in the material. I just keep going around this thing. We got like two layers to go left. And then we're gonna build that wall in the back. Start laying this. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go one more roll and yeah, build the wall back here and then put the pillar on each corner. And then I will build out again to the full circle that we need in the front. The back, the wall will act as the full circle. Yeah. See, looking good though. Looking good. Coming together. Yeah. So we're gonna start on the wall. I got the outside diameter where I need to be. So the guys are bringing in the back retaining wall or freestanding wall. And I'm gonna start right in the center where I need to and work my way out.
They move those pavers over that way. That way I can get through there and move it up.
Alright guys. I'm gonna start laying this back wall. Alright guys, we got the curbing contractor in and they are starting to do the curbing. Saves us a lot of time edging. So, and plus we are limited with time. Yeah, right up the edge. Yeah, we should be able to. Yeah. big curb.
It's a big curve, yeah. But I think it's gonna be good though, because that way we'll have like a border for when the rocks.
Right.
We'll just kind of bring them down a little bit there.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Yeah, it's starting to come together, man.
Yeah.
I already feel like we got so much already in these last 2 hours. So we should be good.
Yeah, this is pretty simple, the stacking. Alright guys, so we are putting the wall up and the pillars. Everything is going in, guys. Yeah, and we got our pillars going. Look at this curbing. Look at that. Those guys did a great job. Look at that. All around. Saved us a lot of time. And the rest of the guys are finishing up the gluing. So the guys are gluing the caps. These here, you guys, we actually had to cut them, cut in half. Yeah, cut half pieces to make that circle, just enough to fit the, I guess, our ring here. We could have went away without cutting it, but then it'd have a big gap in there, so we just thought it was easier. We just used a hammer and or one of these here, chisel and a hammer to just score it and crack it in half. Alright, it's going in good. The wall's done, pillars done. As you can see, we are moving right along. Curving, there's the curving guys. Curving guys moving right along as well. See? And then we still got to frame this up and put in our paver patio in here. So this is looking nice, guys. Nice, nice. Man, it is looking nice, dude.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Like it, huh?
Looks good. Look good. You guys did good. Man, it's like a street. It's like you got your own street.
I know, right? Mira bien. Sí, mira muy bien.
Qué bueno.
Hasta diferentes yardas.
Ya.
Sí.
No te digo, puros profesionales estos.
No, de volada, no. Yo que los miré como estaban corriendo y dije de volada van a terminar.
Look, great work.
¿Cuánto que lleva aquí?
Look at this.
Va a ser esto. Sí, ya vamos a tirar el agua. Va a ser el material ese.
Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Nice. it's about 3 p.m. now, and we got all that complete right here. As you can see, we got the polymeric sand in there, right there. We got all that in there, swept in there, and then sprayed compact. So we are good right there. It's been a very busy week. We got that string lined out, and it's not supposed to look like this, but this patio will run straight this way, then it'll go like this, and then go straight down that way. So that's the height of the sand that we need to go on there. The curbing crew did a great job, as you can see. And now I gotta get ready, you guys. I gotta go meet a friend. I'm going out to supper with him. I haven't seen him for a while. His name's Luke, and he used to live in Jackson. He found his way into Arizona, but since he's down here, we're gonna catch up, grab a bite to eat, and just chit chat. You know, a good friend. So I thought, since I'm down here, I might as well hit up some friends and buddies to meet. So yeah. All right, guys. So that is it for the day. You can see. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right, guys. I am here in Arizona. We are in South Phoenix, and I'm here with Luke. He's originally from Jackson, and we just had IHOPs. Luke's a good friend of mine.
Hey guys.
All right, Luke, what you got here?
So I got a real simple Honda GX 160 motor and an AR pressure washing pump.
Okay.
Connected to just a real simple water tank. These tanks are actually made in Minnesota too. Yeah. It holds 110 gallons. And then I just have my chemicals. You know, I use an acid wash for wheels.
Okay.
You know, basic degreasers and.
And what you wash? What's your main washing? Cars, semis,
Semi trucks.
Okay.
Semi trucks and.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you bought the business.
Yes.
You bought the business. Just one account.
Came with one account, and I've been outgrowing it for 2 years.
This is what Luke does. Went from teaching to doing this.
Yep.
And he's loving it. So it's awesome. All right, Luke. Thanks for the supper.
Yeah, man.
IHOPs, and it's good seeing you.
Yeah, good seeing you, bud.
And definitely when you stop back in Jackson, just come and holler.
Will do.
Cool.
Yeah.
Definitely.